And in this video I'll show you how to get voice chat in Roblox mobile. For that you must be 13 years or older, and after verifying that you are older than, and to verify you need a government issued ID, for example passport or driving license or state ID, or your verified phone number in support reasons. And then your iPhone or Android must allow the Roblox app to access the microphone. And after that, go on this 3-bar menu and then on settings, and then go on this privacy and content restriction. There you need to find this communication, and here you will find use microphone to chat with voice, and toggle that on to green, and that is how you get voice chat in Roblox mobile. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.